I have to explain this video. I'm actually doing it with leftover bottles right after I filmed the United Combat Commander Thrax Machete video. Sorry for the wind noise. Okay, so I just had some extra bottles and a very sharp, large knife. I'm not going to make this video a big production, just some fun with bottles. Either you like it or you don't. I had some requests from my bottle cutters, if there are any left. It's kind of a rare art these days. But, so there you go. This is a very sharp machete, and I want to do this video sort of in a not very many clips or takes. So I'll just leave it at that. Leave a comment, and if you have this machete or the other Ned Foss, definitely leave a comment. These are pretty popular budget blades. Alright, I'll include links for your enlightenment in the video description if you can use the US links. So, cheers to you. Just having fun with the bottles. Two down. The sharp machete. Oh, getting my old form back. The trick with a forehand is you're not just using your arm. You have to propel your whole body through. You'll get a lot more acceleration and force that way. Okay, I only have 3 bottles left because this is actually, I was actually just filming the cutting for the Thrax machete and I had leftovers. So 3 bottles left. We're gonna slide step backhand through these. You see my gay ass little hop step, but as I said, you gotta slide through. Succeeded. It was messy, but triple static. Yeah, so again, you know, if you're going like this, it's not gonna have as much force as going like this, right? Cheers to ya. I've already reviewed the 2 brothers of this Ned Foss, right? They have 2 other models in this series. The only difference is the shape of the tip. This is the Bowie. This is actually the most popular. When I reviewed the other 2 models, the viewers said, you know, the most popular was the Bowie, which I didn't have. So I have corrected that, picked this up. These come sharp as hell. They are D2, but it's a quality heat treatment. Right, these are quality all around, and you can watch a lot of videos. So you can check out my review of the brother of these, which is the exact same steel, that handle, everything, just different tip shape. All right, but under proper conditions, this thing could take out 5 bottles. You know, you might have to try a little bit and, you know, make it. It could, okay. But I was just having fun today with leftover bottles. I hope you're all doing well. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.